When youthful people tell me about their dilemmas, I like to tell them that story about that time where people existed without a cell phone or the internet for 40 years. This is what my dad says every time, and I'm like, Dad, it was 40 years ago. Tesla's share price was heightened by 677% between January and December 2020. The American automotive company has been setting new records since. Tesla has now come to be the fastest growing brand worldwide in 2021. Despite a global chip shortage, we think Tesla is set to deliver a record number of vehicles this quarter and will beat street measures of around 265,000. Today we inhabit a very advanced world, or maybe you can just say Elon Musk's world, cause both are the same, I think. And coming towards the cell phones in this Elon Musk's world, advanced world, where no one can survive without a phone, Tesla has announced its new Pi phone, which is going to drive people crazy. A lot is going on in the factories right now as the phone is in the making, about its model, its features, and much more. So stay tuned in the video. Welcome to Tesla Stock News. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update on the ups and downs of the stock prices of Tesla or anything related to the multi-talented, influential tech icon and billionaire Elon Musk. We have been using smartphones to quite an extent, but on the whole, have you ever given a thought as to how these phones are made? Did you? Right from the conception of the idea to the final outcome of the product, the journey is a steep mountain to climb. All of the world's smartphone manufacturing today is done in a factory, so Tesla is also planning to make a factory for the manufacturing of its new phone called the Tesla Pi phone. This is going to be a big budget factory as the phone is not going to be a typical regular phone. Tesla is investing billions of dollars in this factory for a phone, so you must be curious to know about this Pi phone. So firstly, let us start by, what is the Pi phone? Soon, you will be able to vouch for a Tesla smartphone in the market. We've already seen numerous tech giants jump from one industry to another, and Tesla is likely to follow suit. Tesla is intending to launch the Model Pi, which is a futuristic-looking smartphone, according to the reports. The news also claims that world-famous EV maker Tesla is going to launch it soon. There are several reports available about this next-gen device on the web, and all of them seem too promising to be real. This is going to be a project by the Elon Musk, so this amazing phone must be having a lot of amazing features. Well, assuming Tesla's over-the-top features in their prevailing products, like the Cybertruck's nearly impregnable exoskeleton and bioweapon defense mode in some of their other vehicles, the rumors about this phone aren't going to be that shocking for those who are already familiar with Elon Musk. First of all, talking about the software, it is whispered that the phone is expected to have Qualcomm's processor. Also, color variants match Tesla car colors. It will operate better as a car key for Tesla autos than any other phone, and it is also said that it will be mining crypto. But then there's this iffy part, it can connect to Starlink. Whoa, this is far beyond incredible. Let us discuss them briefly. It is said that the Model Pi will be compatible with Starlink and work on Mars. Many reports claim that Model Pi might caption an antenna that would link it with Starlink, and this will help it to work on Mars. There are also claims that it will have access to satellite internet with a download speed of up to 210 Mbps. With this speed, I might binge watch all night every day, and so will you. Many of us here have issues with the charging system as it fades away faster than me during any work. For this to change, Tesla has come up with solar charging. Tesla produces solar panels as well as vehicles, so this isn't a far-fetched idea. It's doubtful the phone would rely on solar, but it could have a Tesla-branded case that allows some amount of solar charging. We like staring at the sky, but when we try to capture it, we don't like it much. Current phones use AI and less powerful cameras when snapping the night sky. Add that functionality to SpaceX's extraterrestrial focus that will inevitably bleed over into this phone, and you'll have a device capable of great photos of astronomical objects. The Pi phone is also said to mine cryptocurrency. Musk has been social about cryptocurrencies in the past, so it's not unfair to reckon he'd want to ingrain this ability in a phone. While Bitcoin is most popular and Musk likely prefers the existing Dogecoin, the rumor is Tesla's phone will mine a new coin called Mars Coin. According to the reports, Pi phone will be the first satellite phone that will be available in masses. This smartphone, however, will not be the first satellite phone, as Thuraya and Iridium are already usable, but it will be the first smart satellite phone that anyone could buy. And also, the famous Tesla T logo is expected to appear in the middle stripe. These are some of the features and theories about this alien-like smartphone from alien-like Elon Musk. Talking about the cost, a phone with this level of refined tech would certainly cost more than a few $1,000s. Following versions might come down in price as more people start using the technology, but don't expect the first fraction to be affordable for most people. However, this Tesla Model Pi is said to start relatively basic with just a few of the rumored features. We might see it at a more sensible $800 to $1,200. Another higher-profile tech firm that is getting into the smartphone business is, of course, Google. While mainly operating as an internet company, Google has just launched the JioPhone next, in coalition with Reliance Industries of India, and then has its brand of Pixel smartphones as well. Xiaomi is another company that started as an internet company but is now recognized as a major smartphone manufacturer. Tesla is just following others in a very exciting and high-profile section. However, since we are talking about Elon Musk and Tesla, the Tesla smartphone needs to be special and taken seriously. Although there is no official release date ready, Model Pi from Tesla. In fact, there isn't even a testimony available from the EV giant, but cyber citizens appear to know everything. Earlier, there were tales that Elon Musk would reveal Model Pi by the end of 2021. However, there is no such update available now, so the new reports claim that Model Pi will launch in 2022. Although many think that such a device will stay out of existence at least until 2025. By now, you must have assumed that the Tesla Model Pi is not real. It could be some years down the line, but for now, it may not exist. There are many reasons for that if we think realistically. Tesla has a record of dumping interesting, though still on-brand products, like the Cybertruck-inspired all-electric vehicle for kids, an umbrella with their logo stamped on it, and a stainless steel whistle, and an infinite list. Adding a smartphone to the mix wouldn't be nearly as surprising, but its release isn't as believable as those other items. Well, at least not yet. And talking about the smartphone factory, nowadays Elon Musk is worried about his other gigafactories located in Berlin and UK, so this factory perhaps has time to set up. But if Elon Musk is more academic than Tim Cook was with the Apple Watch, he'll make these features configurable so they could work, and also the phone from which people couldn't withstand themselves from buying it. Elon Musk is one mind-blowing, unique, and special person, and Model Pi is just the same. If it was related to anyone else, no one would have thought that such a gadget could come into existence in 2022, but due to being related to Musk, people are persuaded that it is real. But apart from our expectations and opinions, what do you think about the Tesla Pi phone and its billion-dollar factory? Let us know in the comments below. And most importantly, if you like this video, then hit the like button. Subscribe and click the bell icon to get a notification every time we make a new video about the latest trends in Tesla stocks. See you in the next one. Until then, peace.